Your sales data has answers you're not hearing. You've got months of sales data sitting in your system right now, in Square, QuickBooks, a spreadsheet, somewhere. The honest truth, most small business owners have no idea what that data is telling them. Not because they're bad at business, but because making sense of raw numbers takes time and skill you probably don't have. Hiring an analyst isn't realistic. Fancy software feels like overkill. But there's a middle path that works and costs less than your monthly coffee budget. Get your data ready. First, you need your sales data in one place in a format AI can read. Most platforms have an export button in reporting. Click it and grab a CSV file. You want date, product/service name, quantity, revenue, and ideally customer ID. If data lives in multiple places, pull it into a single Google Sheet with clear column labels and no blank rows. Takes 20 minutes. Do it once. Here's the honest limitation. If your records are messy, inconsistent names, missing dates, weird formats, the AI gives you messy answers back. Garbage in, garbage out. Spend a few extra minutes cleaning up first. Ask questions in plain English. ChatGPT Plus and Claude Pro both let you upload CSV files and ask questions. Both cost around $20 a month. No coding, no formulas. Just talking to a smart colleague who actually looked at your numbers. Real example, a landscaping company uploads 6 months of invoices and asks which services made the most money versus which had the most jobs but lowest revenue per job. That single question might reveal mulching is eating time for nothing while tree trimming is actually profitable. Good starting questions. What are my top 5 products by revenue? Which days or months had highest sales? What products used to sell well but dropped off? What's my average transaction size, and is it trending up or down? Don't just ask for numbers. Ask what they mean. Find the patterns underneath. AI is particularly good at revealing what drives revenue beneath the surface. Ask about seasonality. Do sales spike or drop predictably? Ask it to flag anything unusual. Ask about repeat customers and frequency. A clothing shop owner might discover Tuesday sales are 40% lower than any other day. That's not just trivia. That's an operational decision hiding in a pattern. Maybe they're overstaffed. Maybe Tuesday posts aren't working. Now they know to look. The real limitation. AI shows you what the pattern is. It cannot tell you why. That requires your judgment. The tool surfaces the what. You supply the context. Forecast what's coming. Upload at least 6 months of data and ask what next month's revenue might be if trends continue. You'll get a directional estimate. Not guaranteed, but reasonable. If sales historically jump 30% in October, order more stock in September. Make one decision. Here's where most people drop the ball. They find something interesting and do nothing. After your analysis, write down one thing you're going to do more of and one thing you're going to stop or reduce. That's the whole exercise. Maybe one service generates 60% of revenue, but gets 20% of marketing attention. That's your decision right there. You started with months of numbers and no idea what they meant. That's still the most common situation for small business owners. But the tools to fix that are now genuinely accessible, affordable, and useful, as long as you start clean and actually do something with what you find.